Tactical pens might look like regular pens, but they're made for way more than writing. These things are tough, reliable, and built to handle real trouble, whether it's breaking glass in an emergency or defending yourself when it counts. We'll put the updated price and purchase links down in the video description for your convenience. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. The Atomic Bear Guardian. Titanium is built like a tank, but slick enough to ride in your shirt pocket without raising eyebrows. Machined from solid titanium with a satin-blasted finish, it don't shine or flash, just sits there looking clean and tough. No screws, no seams, just one smooth piece that feels real good in the hand when you're writing or holding tight in a pinch. The clip's made from 304 stainless steel, ready to work with their upcoming magnetic mount, and the deploying mechanism's slick as butter thanks to a self-lubricating palm setup. No metal grinding or squeaks. And underneath that clean design, a mean little self-defense tool. The grip's made with retention in mind, and when it's time to throw down, you can actually land a strike with some bite. The tungsten carbide glass breaker is capped, so it don't snag or poke. But that cap's textured to give you grip when it counts, like busting out a window to save someone stuck in a hot car. And if you're looking to train with it, they even throw in a brass head you can swap in to keep things safe while you practice. Now here's a pen that doesn't scream tactical, but hits like one. CRKT's Williams Defense Pen. This thing's designed by James Williams, a seasoned martial arts instructor and former Army officer, and it performs more like a Kubaton that just happens to write. Built from bead-blasted aluminum, it's tough, lightweight at just 1.3 ounces, and stretches 6 inches long. The grip feels solid in the hand, with just the right amount of bulk. That cap pops off smooth thanks to an internal O-ring. And when it's time to write, it slides onto the back without getting in the way. Now, the writing experience? It's all right. Not the best in the bunch, but far from bad. The Schmidt cartridge it comes with does the job, even if it ain't high-end. But let's be honest, this pen's real strength lies in defense, not doodling. It's discreet, dependable, and ready for rough situations without looking like a weapon. The Nitecore NTP31 don't mess around when it comes to everyday carry. This ain't just a pen, it's a purpose-built survival tool that's got brains, brawn, and a bolt-action setup slick enough to make any gear junkie grin. Built from lightweight aluminum alloy, it's tough enough for the wild, but won't weigh down your pack, coming in at just under 5.5 inches and barely over half an ounce. What really sets the NTP31 apart is that 3-position bolt action. One click pops out the writing tip, another brings out the tungsten steel window breaker, hard enough to crack glass clean, and you can tuck both away when you're just carrying it around town. That breaker tip sits tapered and ready on the back, and when things go south, it ain't just for busting out a jam. It can be used for last-ditch defense, too. It writes smooth with that Schneider gel ink. Quick-drying, waterproof, and fade-resistant. And the anti-skid threads around the center give solid grip, even with sweaty or gloved hands. Toss in a rugged stainless steel pocket clip, and what you got here is a pen that don't quit. Perfect for outdoors, bug-out bags, or plain old daily use. The Gerber Impromptu Tactical Pen is a multi-purpose tool designed for real-world reliability. Constructed from machined steel and finished with a durable CRKT coating, this pen is built to withstand the rigors of daily life, whether on the job site, in the wilderness, or during unexpected emergencies. At just 5 inches closed and weighing 2.4 ounces, it fits seamlessly into your pocket, secured by a stainless steel clip, and ready when you need it. What sets the Impromptu apart is its integrated tempered steel glass breaker tip, which can be a lifesaver in critical situations. This feature alone transforms it into a practical piece of survival gear. The push-button mechanism ensures the ballpoint deploys quickly, and with the Write in the Rain ink cartridge, you can rely on it to write in all conditions: wet, dry, hot, or cold. Whether you're jotting notes on a work site, marking up a trail map, or just keeping it handy in your EDC lineup, the Impromptu bridges the gap between tactical and everyday use. It's ideal for tradespeople, first responders, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values preparedness and functionality in their tools. Overall, it's a dependable and reliable companion, engineered for tough scenarios. The 511 Kubaton Tactical Pen is an impressive blend of utility and design, offering far more than your average writing instrument. Crafted with a one-piece anodized aluminum body, it strikes the perfect balance between lightweight portability and durable construction. At just 1 ounce and 5.40 inches long with the tip deployed, it feels both solid and agile in the hand, ideal for quick note-taking or more assertive applications in the field. The aggressive gimping on its surface provides a confident grip, especially when used in a pummel grip, making it a practical tool for self-defense without appearing threatening. Its blunt, non-threatening profile makes it discreet enough for everyday carry, even in professional environments. The twist-open mechanism and included pressurized black ink cartridge mean it's always ready to write, whether you're in the office or on a tactical operation. The fact that the ink cartridge is replaceable only adds to its long-term usability. Unlike many pens designed for similar dual-use functionality, the Kubaton has no removable cap, eliminating the risk of losing small parts under pressure. Its sturdy steel pocket clip ensures it's always within reach. Overall, the 511 Kubaton Tactical Pen delivers excellent functionality, refined aesthetics, and a subtle defensive edge, making it a smart addition to anyone's everyday carry gear. The Atomic Bear MTP6 is one of the best tools for versatile use, combining everyday convenience with tactical preparedness. It's a compact powerhouse featuring a glass breaker, flashlight, bottle opener, flat screwdriver, ferrocerium striker, and hexagonal key slot. Whether you're opening boxes, escaping a vehicle, or popping open a beer, the MTP6 has you covered. Its tactical design makes it ideal for self-defense and car emergencies, ensuring you're ready for the unexpected. Constructed from rugged 606 1T6 anodized aluminum with a tungsten carbide glass breaker tip, the second hardest material after diamond, it's built to last in tough conditions. The included flashlight offers 3 modes: low, high, and strobe, perfect for navigating dark areas or temporarily disorienting a threat. At just 6.5 inches long, it clips easily to your pocket or bag, making it a discreet yet powerful tool to carry daily. The removable clip adds extra convenience, and while it runs on non-rechargeable batteries, it comes with 4 backup sets, keeping you well-equipped from day one. For anyone who values readiness, safety, and utility in a single compact device, the MTP6 is a must-have. It's more than a pen, it's peace of mind in your pocket. For outdoor adventurers who value both function and form, the Barrel X Tactical Pen is an indispensable companion. It's a rugged, multi-purpose tool designed to meet the unpredictable demands of the wilderness. Built from durable titanium, The Barrel X can withstand intense outdoor conditions while serving as a writing instrument, a crowbar for prying, and even a lifting tool. Its robust construction ensures you're never caught unprepared, whether opening containers or handling tough gear on the trail. What sets the Barrel X apart is its perfect fusion of engineering and practicality. The bolt-action mechanism delivers smooth, precise operation and is compatible with a range of G2 ink refills, including brands like Schneider, Parker, and Fisher Space. This ensures that your thoughts flow as freely as your journey, with dependable writing performance even in challenging environments. Perhaps the most compelling feature is its integrated attacking head, a tactical addition designed for defense and emergency situations. The ceramic-tipped vertex, with a Mohs hardness of 7.8, is non-magnetic and airplane-safe, offering peace of mind no matter where your travels take you. Aesthetically, the Barrel X doesn't compromise. Its sleek, supercar-inspired pen clip adds a touch of mecha-style sophistication, making it as stylish as it is utilitarian. Whether clipped to your backpack, notebook, or pocket, it speaks volumes about your preparedness and taste. In every way, the Barrel X proves that a pen can be much more than a writing tool. It can be a survival essential. So that was our video on the 10 best tactical pen you can carry. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.